Maayong hapon, bay. Yeah, today's still winter. And the thing is, I just want to update you guys. I have a lot of vlogs coming in. Nakakagawi pang video. But the thing is, I got so busy kay nag-move mig house. I filmed that part na nag-move mig house, but I haven't uploaded anything. Natuk-an. Isti. Abog kay garikod. Well, okay, just to run you through the update. The thing is, again, just to run you through the updates. The thing is, I've moved house. Problema is the new house is a bit smaller, so I have to cramp all the things here. I'm still in the garage, just like I filmed in the other place. But the thing is, it's a bit smaller, this house. Yeah, it's a bit smaller. The hallway smaller. I have a lot of crap sa balay, mga stuff, and everything's there. I've filmed it on one of my vlogs. Hopefully I can post it soon. Things I'm just so busy right now. Daghay kong ipang-edit, daghay kong pambuhaton. I need to like get all this crap behind the camera. I don't want to show it to you guys now, but it's a lot of crap behind you. This is the whole parking lot, the whole garage, puro mga stuff. I'm gonna take that off. Hopefully in the future I can clear this out and then put the car here and worry about the filming and all the things that I need to do. So na-stress ko karon because I have a lot of things to edit. It's cold, it's winter, but hopefully we can just get it done and get it taken care of. So yeah, there's that. At the same time, I got things like these. This one here, this is ako mag-review pa kani soon, but karon preliminary. Just got this IO Crest kanang kuan siya 10 GBE because my system here is siya mo focus. So my system here di siya mo focus. My system here is 10 GBE. Ako sa talong na focus kanat ba. Talong na to. Okay. So it's 10 GBE. Lagi pa siya mo focus. Sab. What edit mo na gid dito ni. That's it. Cool. So yeah, here is the item. It's a 10 GBE like connector, and wala gid siya mo focus. Saan naman siya? Let's just do that. So here again. Okay, there you go. So it's a 10 GBE connector. Usually this would go around 400 Australian dollars or more. Kung OWC or QNAP or unsa pa na diha. This is like a Chinese thing. I don't know. USB-C. Yeah, imo na i-connect sa network drive mo, which I have I have a network drive which is the Synology. But the problem with this one here is it did not work with my system, and since China siya, it's like so cheap, darn cheap. Hait kag side, so I had to like grind the sides here, make sure that I take up the everything. Siya mo focus which is ang mata. But anyway, that's it. I'm gonna make a review about that. And also I got this one here because uso naman ng kwan. I need to get rid of a lot of things, but I got this one here also. It's it's a Fifine arm. I got the white one. I haven't opened it yet. Don't have time yet, but hopefully in the future we're gonna have more videos about it. That's two of the things that I need to update and talk to you about. At the same time also, yeah, I moved house, a lot of stress. I have a lot of things to edit. Hopefully we can get this done. And also I got this kanang kuan, something old but new but old something. This is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. It has an M1 Max processor, full spec, just like my system here. Muna akong original system that I work with. I have on my Mac Studio. It is 16 mena. It's an M1 Max. Kani akong laptop is a 16-inch. Used ni siya. I got it from a friend. It's a 16-inch M1 Max, full specs, and ang pinakanindot niya is ang yang SSD is 8 terabytes. So 8 terabytes is a lot of files. It's really big. It's much more expensive siguro than the laptop itself. But yeah, Will sold it to me. Akong migo nga si Will, which I work with. I work for. I shoot for him for his studio. Appreciate him for selling this to me at a cheap price because he got the M4 Pro Max na nga kanang kuan computer. Hopefully I can edit outside. If you ask me, I prefer buying the 14-inch MacBook Pro, the M4, pero this is much cheaper. This is 16-inch. I prefer 14-inch because kanang ko gamay and I want it to be portable because the main thing is when you use a laptop, when you try to go outside and work, it has to be portable. 16 inches is really too big. Even my planned bag, I was planning to get an alpaca Metro 12, but this will not fit. So I have other bags. But I also have to talk about the bags soon. Kanakoy bags for this that I've been using with my laptop, which is very functional. Not the backpack, but I don't know. I'll talk about it soon as I get all this thing cleared. Okay, clear na ako mental health. Everything will be fixed up here. This place here is my editing. This is the corner of the room. I'm gonna have my bike there, so it's gonna be a bit annoying, but I'm gonna have the bike there. Yeah, so it's a brick wall. It's a nice brick wall. It's nice. Also, didn't think yung bike, so didn't makita. So anyway, yeah, hopefully we're gonna get more updates soon. Just updating you guys that I've been very busy, very stressed out. Nagkampakikog edito nun nga I haven't touched because I think my ADHD just kicked in. But yeah, we're gonna try to make the next few days better. Also, nasa ko, I got a studio. I work with One Click or One Studio. I'm taking care of the studio. I can work there. I can film there. So it's another place that I can do some creative things. But hopefully we can get it done. We just try our best to get this thing cleared, get our mental health good, keep on working, and manage my alleged ADHD. But other than that, should be good.